Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you Philips Hue enthusiasts out there. We're going to dive into the world of the Hue Sync Box and explore how to set it up in a way that enhances your viewing experience without becoming a distracting light show. So, if you're ready to optimize your setup, stay tuned. Tip 1. Choose the right placement. First things first, let's talk about the placement of your Hue Sync Box. It's crucial to position it in a way that complements your viewing area without overwhelming it. Aim for a spot that provides an even distribution of light without directly facing your eyes or creating harsh reflections on the screen. Tip 2. Adjust intensity and brightness. Once your sync box is in the right spot, let's move on to adjusting the intensity and brightness of your Hue lights. Head over to the Hue Sync app and fine-tune these settings to match the mood of your content. Lower intensity and brightness for a more subtle effect during casual viewing, and crank it up a bit for a more lively experience during movie nights or gaming sessions. Tip 3. Sync modes for different content. Now, let's explore the different sync modes available on the Hue Sync app. These modes are designed to enhance specific types of content. Experiment with each mode to find the one that complements your favorite movies, TV shows, or games. Remember, not every mode works for every situation, so feel free to switch it up based on your preferences. Tip 4. Customize zones for focused lighting. One of the coolest features of the Hue Sync Box is the ability to create custom zones. This lets you focus the lighting effects on specific areas of your screen. This is especially useful for avoiding distractions during important scenes or when you need to stay focused. Let's jump into the app and set up some custom zones together. Conclusion. And there you have it. A guide to setting up your Hue Sync Box in a way that enhances your entertainment experience without stealing the show. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance for your preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time, happy syncing.